Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Guess what? I have some exciting news. I got my February Boxycharm already. Wow, it's not even the 10th yet, and it's here. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. And I cannot believe I got my Boxycharm. Maybe they heard me complaining on social media because I took it to every platform I could find, and I don't think so, but still, you know, I like to think that my voice was heard. Anyhow, I believe this is my premium. I don't know, but I can tell you this box weighed 2.8 pounds, okay? 2.8 pounds, whichever this is. And then so I'm going to go ahead and open it for you. And I'm so excited because I don't even, you know, with all these boxes, I forget, you know, which is what now. Because especially this month with the IPSY and everything. Now I know what's in there and I'm waiting for that one. But you know, it's like, I don't know. I've lost interest or something until I open it. Then I'm more excited, right? So, okay, let's just get it started. Okay. And here we go. Okay, it is, I think I just saw blue, so that would be premium. Yep, there it is. Okay, Boxy Premium, there it is, and this is how it comes packed, and of course there's a card inside right here, and it looks like, of course, it's February, so it's Valentine's theme. So let's take a look. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it down, and so it says Boxycharm XOXO, kisses and hugs, right? And okay, so let me just reach for my lens here, sorry about that. Okay, yep, okay. And I'm looking for the variation number for you guys, actually. But again, it's that, I guess they're now permanently to that C210235-1-PM. And so maybe PM is the, I don't know, maybe that's the variation initials or something. But I'm not going to look and see what's exactly in here. But it looks like a bunch of stuff. And, but like I said, it is 2.8 pounds. So I don't know if that's going to be helpful. So let's start with number 1. Okay, let's take a look and see what we have. The first thing I see is Get Lit and Higher, what is it? Metallic 4 Liquid Eyeshadow by Eloise. Here it is. Eloise, isn't a company that did that Queen palette? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so let's take a quick look. It's a liquid eyeshadow. And oh, you know what? This is sealed. This is completely sealed. Let me take a look real quick if it says a shade or anything, because if it does, I'm not going to open it if I see that. And there's an expiration date on there. It says it was produced on 8/20/20 and expires on 8/20/23. That's weird. I wonder why that is. I've never seen expiration dates like that on a on an eyeshadow. And this is called Pure Gold, and it is a metallic foiled liquid eyeshadow. Sorry about that. And so, you know what? I'm not going to open it because just in case, because right now I'm not doing really any liquid eyeshadows. Matter of fact, I was thinking to declutter all of them except for maybe a couple of them that I know work because of my crepey eyelids. They're not working anymore. So I'm just going to put this aside for now, but let's read about it anyway. So this is the, let's see, Eloise Beauty Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. It says, enrich your lids and get lit with Eloise's luxurious, long-wearing metallic foiled liquid eyeshadow with the perfect blend of metallic and glitter reflex. Yeah, see, I'm not going to be able to use that. It says, create, transform any look from subtle to intense. And it manufacturer retail price is... the retail price is $26. Okay, and so that's that. So I'm going to put it aside because I will definitely put that in the giveaways. Okay, next. Okay, it's by Tarte, and this is a Tartist. Oh, it looks like eyeliner. Actually, I need eyeliners. I don't know what happened, but my liquid eyeliners all kind of like dried up all at the same time. I'm like, what the heck? Then again, I wasn't wearing eyeliner for the longest time, and I started using it. I'm like, oh, I need new ones. And so this one here, is by Tarte, and let's read about it before I show it to you. Because in case it's something that I'm not going to use, then I don't want to, you know, open it. Okay, so it says double take eyeliner. It says get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partnered in line. The best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gets formulas, gel formulas that cause, it does say, will cause some serious double takes. And this product is full size, made just for you charmers, and it is not for retail sale. Wow, really? Good deal. And it retails for $24. It's not for retail sale, but it retails for $24. Okay, so here it is. And it is actually very nice. Take a look at this. And it says double-sided. So, okay, this is the actual liquid side. And you know what? I will keep it because, like I said, I do waterproof, and this is waterproof. And here is the gel side. Oh, very nice and sharp. Okay, yeah, this will be very useful. And I'm not going to swatch it because it's black eyeliner. It's going to make a black line. Okay, and so that's that. And next, let's see, what is next? Okay, Laura Mercier. You know how I love Laura Mercier. What is this? Matte Radiance Baked Powder. Oh, is this like the powder I have? Like the real baked powder, or... Oh, no. This is different. This is actually... Okay, I have the loose powder. This is baked powder. Okay, let's see. Oh, nice. And you know what? They got my shade right. Oh, it's... Okay. I get it. This is... I almost ordered this today, actually, from the add-ons. And I'm glad I didn't. And... Oh, this is very nice. I don't know if it's going to capture. But this is more like a highlighter. Okay. There it is right there. I think it's capturing a little bit, right? It's right here. Oh, it's very soft. Wow, very nice. And did I give you a good look of it? Probably not. Okay, here you go. And this was actually in the add-ons. And I almost did buy it because I actually like Laura Mercier. But the problem is I didn't want to buy another highlighter because I said that is going to be one of my no buys or very, very low buys. So, yeah. And now I got it in my box. Okay. So, all right, let's talk about this one. This is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder and Highlight On. Okay, so ultra smooth baked face powder that provides natural color with soft matte radiance. And it retails for $44. And I did know that because I have seen it before. So, $44, not bad. Okay. Alrighty then. Good box so far. I'm happy so far. Very happy so far, actually. Okay, so next, and this is a company that I've started to know, and it's Rodial. I don't use anything by them, but I know they've been coming in a lot of different boxes. I mean, I got a whole box of Glossybox with nothing but Rodial products. So, yeah. And this is the Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. You know, that's... I want to try this primer because I've been having a lot of problem with primers. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm wearing waterproof foundation today, and I probably shouldn't have put primer on, water-based primer and waterproof foundation. Believe me, people, that does not mix. And it was terrible, and I had to actually rub it out a little bit on different places. And so, yeah, let me take a look and see what this is all about, though. But I do have a lot of primers that I try, and I've only been happy with like maybe a couple of them out of like the 10 that I do have. But they all came in boxes. It's not something that, except for the 2 that I like. Those actually I purchased, and the rest been coming in boxes. So, yeah. Okay, so Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. And it's illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with new Soft Focus Glow Drops. I thought it was a primer. This skincare makeup hybrid is the next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. Did I read that wrong? No, it does say primer. Okay, no, it does say primer on here in the bottle. It says Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. So, okay, so these must be those new... There's a company that was actually built by YouTuber or influencer, I should say, and she hates to be called that, by the way. And it's called Auric is the name of the company, and everybody's I mean, you know, the big YouTubers are really showing that product right now, and that's kind of sort of what that she has is the, you know, glow from within, mix it with your foundation type of thing. So here it is, a bottle. Is it really pink? It is pink. All right, let's try it. Okay, here we go. Get it off. It looks pretty though. Oh, I hope I didn't get that everywhere. It has a very unique scent. What is that smell? I know that smell from somewhere. But very unique, but very, it's not heavy. It's beautiful, like, nice. Okay, but I don't see it shimmering. And I put it on top of the, do you see a shimmer? But it does feel nice, though. This actually feels nice. I gotta try this primer. I gotta try it. Sorry. Yeah. I will try it and get back to you guys because, you know, after today's disaster, I'm looking for a good primer. So that's that. And let's see. This one retails for what? $60. A primer that costs $60. Yeah, I won't be spending that too. Yeah, this must be skincare slash primer. It's got to have like hyaluronic acid and all that stuff in there. You know, it's just, yeah. Well, it does have fragrance, though. It's got squalene perfume. Squalene and perfume. Okay, squalene. I was going to say, that can't be the same thing. So, okay. That's that. But it is water-based. And next is, what? Audacity. This company, I've done some product information on this for you guys on a skincare Mondays. This company is hecka expensive. And for them to, and this, the Blue Aura, the turmeric and the basil, well, blue water is what they call it. This is glass, by the way, and very heavy. It's expensive. This is not a cheap product. Cleansing water. Yeah, it's micellar water is what it is. It's 120 milliliters. Wow, they're really kicking it out, aren't they? Let's see what they say. Audacity Blue Aura Cleansing Water. It retails for $39. That's not too bad. But, yeah, usually their stuff is really high. Maybe I'm thinking of something else. This is a micellar water. But $39 still is pretty, you know, pretty expensive. And so it says, a powerful no-rinse cleanser formula to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying Ayurvedic herbs. This cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step, specifically formulated to combat skin's damaging pollutants before they take their toll. But again, you guys, you can't just wipe it off and go on. You need to do a double cleanse, okay? Please, please, please. Just, I mean, this may be great to just take the makeup off initially and then do the rest of it, but I wouldn't just use that, no. And the very last thing in my box, I actually saved it. And this is one of the ones, it's so funny because I didn't order this. I wanted to so bad, but I said I have so many of these. I'm not going to order it. It's the Pastel Mint Huda eyeshadow palette. And the thing is, mint, the green one, would probably been the last one I ordered anyway. And I thought about ordering two of the other ones and then just not order the mint. And I would have gotten it anyway. But yeah, here it is. And yeah, and this is the pastel one. And this is nice aesthetics. Here it is. And this is very, very, how would you say, pastel. And so I'll go ahead, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and keep it and try to work it because spring is coming up and those are nice pastels. Like I said, I don't want to pay for it in the add-ons because I do have so many of Huda Beauty stuff. And this was, I think, $12 in add-ons. And there's also a mauve one and a coral one out there, or purple one. So yeah, it does, yeah, it's one of the obsession ones. You saw how many I have, right? So that's fine because I don't have one like this. So that's that, my beautiful wildflowers. And so let me give you the total. Give me a second and let me give you the total. Oh wait, how much was this anyway? I didn't give you that, did I? I got all excited. Okay, the retail value on this is $29. But like I said, right now you can get it, I believe it's $9 or $12 on add-ons if you have Boxycharm, okay? So, and I'm going to try to get this up as soon as possible. So add-on should, or pop-up, not add-on. Add-on is closed. Pop-up, sorry about that. Pop-up should still be open when I upload this, okay? So because I'm going to rush this for you guys. And so hold on one second while I get my calculator out and figure out how much this whole box comes to. Hold on. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, this box totaled $222. $222. Go to the track and play that. Anyway, I don't know if you do it like that, but anyhow, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope this was helpful, and let me know if we are box twins. And you know, I know sometimes people say, hey, I got the exact same thing you did, so let me know. So if you have any questions, put it below as well. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. And as I always say, my beautiful wildflowers, please don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.